welcome back to Making Mr. Maddie. Today we're gonna make a pizza. We're gonna make pizza. Today we're gonna make English muffins, and today we're gonna make cheese and sauce, pizza sauce, and then we're gonna make pepperoni. First thing first, we're gonna wash our hair. Kiki, do you love me? I'm riding, so you never leave, cause I want to. Happy birthday to me! Happy birthday! So next, we're gonna cut the bread in half. She's doing it with no gloves. I did it with no gloves. Oh! There's 4 right now. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, we're gonna put sauce on all of our muffins. Oh my god. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, we're gonna put cheese on our pizzas. Sprinkler. That's how you make it good. These pizzas are gonna turn out delicious. I'm gonna save something. Next, we're gonna put 3 pepperoni on each pizza. There's 2 right here. They're like eyeballs. And there's 1 right here because it's 3. 3 plus 1 means 1 and 3. If we took away some, there will be a plus 1. What's gonna be there? 2. And if we don't have 1, how many is there gonna be there? 3. That's 1, 2, 3. This is 1, 2, 3. So that's pizza right now. You didn't need that much. These look like eyeballs all over. And there's a nose too. And there's a titi. And there's the eyes. The last one. Titi. We're gonna put a little bit of cheese on 1, 2, 6 pizzas. I want to taste one. That was yummy. Ooh, this smells so bad. Spread. Look at this one, it's all little bit. So let me get some more. See this one? put them in the oven. You should never use the oven without your mommy and daddy. Next, we're going to set our temperature to 400 degrees. And we're going to set the timer for 20 minutes. Right there. Next, we're going to take out the pizza of the oven. Be careful. Hot. Thank you about the good weather. Thank you about all our time at school. And thank you about we love your mama and daddy. And thank you about the weather. And it's a nice day. Amen. I'm going to taste test. Pizza is delicious. I'm going to take another bite. Yum, yum. Thanks for watching. Hope you like my video. And give it a big thumbs up. And turn on your bell and subscribe to this channel.